Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Graph.
What does the dictionary say?
A series of points, discrete or continuous, as in forming a curve or surface, each of which represents a value of a given function.
Math Rap.
To take a visual look at what's going on, a graph lets you know how things have gone. A diagram of values often shown in lines. It can track facts and show changes through time.
Math Rap.
What animal can best diagram values and track facts? A giraffe. What do you call a graph about cars? An autograph. What kind of daily facts and activities could you track using a graph? If you were to graph time spent studying versus time gaming, what bar would be higher on your personal daily graph of hours spent? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!